Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be jumping into Shiba Inu, especially right now where all these meme coins are popping off. You could see that right now as well with SHIB, you can see that it is currently popping off this month as well. So I'm going to be giving a full breakdown in terms of where I see this price going to. So quickly to start off with, I'm going to highlight these key level of areas. You can see this key level of resistance being formed here around a couple of months ago, around March. You can see that this was completely smashed over and even gone to a peak over here around that level here, and even touching these levels over here. So you can see here where exactly the huge level targets will be is around this strong level of resistance here, and then obviously going up to that new all-time high around this level as well. So these are the key targets that I want to be looking at, especially right now. What you can see here is this resistance being smashed, and then at the moment last month it did retest this level of support being formed down here, and what it is at the moment is retesting this level of support that you can see over here and going to form a new support here formed before reaching again this level of resistance over here. This resistance being formed here before a push towards this peak here, and hopefully what it does is then retest this level of resistance here before going up here, creating a level of loose support and going up here. So ideally what you want it to happen is go over here, possibly retest around this resistance again, create new levels of support, going up to this peak here, again creating a new level of support and going back to that high over here before of course going towards that all-time high here, which of course is a mile away. You can see here from current price right now to where it is around 200% off, so it is quite a stretch away, but you know, you can't say it will never happen, especially what is happening right now. You can see these key levels being wicked off completely, so you do have a good chance of picking up right now to going up to the all-time high. And again, exactly what I said before guys, meme coins, especially right now with all these stuffs happening with all these celebrities and so on, there's a lot of potential of these meme coins happening, and all it really needs is someone really influential and you know someone big to in order to you know make this pop off as well. Going into the daily now, you can see exactly what's happening here is now creating these new lower highs and higher highs in order to go up to a newer thing. So you can see here all these support levels and resistance levels being formed over here. Right now it smashed over this resistance level over here. What it needs to do today is stay above this in order for it to reach again these levels over here and over here as well. So these are just some of the key levels that I'm seeing that needs to be smashed over in order for it to go up to these all-time highs again. So just be aware of where exactly you need to be looking out for. You can see here at the moment as well, jumping into the daily closely, you can see what is done so far. So it has broken this level of resistance over here, it has rejected this level of resistance over here. So you can see what exactly has happened since this rejection here has dropped around 4% since this rejection here. So just be aware of this region over here, this current region here. You can see here it has formed a double top pattern, so just be wary of this level. But as I said, if it does stay above this level of strong support resistance over here, there is a good chance of it continually going forward, possibly retesting this area, going up toward there as well. So just be aware of what exactly is going on as well. Jumping even onto the hourly time frame, if you guys want to do a scalp trade, you can see here it was a massive surge even just today. This strong level of resistance broken here, and ever since then it just completely went over here. Right now, as I said, it has retested that level of resistance back over here. So if I scale out over here, you can see here has retested this level of resistance here, and what it's doing right now is completely rejecting it. So a lot of people must have scalped from here to there, taking that sell opportunity there as well. So just be aware of what it's doing at the moment. So hopefully what it does now is keeps with the support as well and goes towards a all-time high in the short run. So just be aware of exactly where it is going towards. So exactly what I said, if you do scalp, just be aware what it's doing is rejecting here, so there is a good chance of it going up to this sort of level now as well, retesting it and then going towards up, especially with everything happening right now. So guys, that's just a quick update on Shiba Inu in terms of where I see price heading to. Make sure you click like, subscribe and comment down below in terms of what you think as well, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.